So we're on a mission to let Catalea shit. She decided to eat 15, maybe 20 condoms. Yeah, good dog. She's looking for the right spot. Hopefully we find a bunch of condoms. Oh, here we go. It's about to come. Condom. Oh, there's one. There's one. Oh, it's not all the way out yet, Catalea. Hold on, Daddy's got to get the condom out of your butt. No, stay there. Oh man, how's Daddy gonna do that? Mom?
A leaf?
I need some help. A leaf? Oh God. Oh wait, there it comes. Oh, there's one, there's two. All right.